Hi there. I'm Jess Hoover, Climate Action Director for the High Country Conservation Center. And today, I'll be walking you through the basics of the renewable energy mitigation program proposed for the town of Breckenridge. This program was designed to mitigate the carbon pollution caused by excessive outdoor energy use. In Breckenridge, the only code that currently regulates outdoor energy use is Policy 33R. It assigns negative points for excessive outdoor energy use. This would be amended to more accurately reflect the carbon intensity of proposed outdoor energy uses should Council adopt the REMP program. For this program, when we talk about outdoor energy use, we're talking about systems like heated driveways, heated pools, hot tubs, outdoor gas fireplaces, and fire pits. And in our cold mountain environment where snow buildup is an issue and hot tubs and outdoor fire pits are common luxuries, these amenities use a lot of energy. How much energy? Well, as you can see, in 2019, 10,000 square feet of residential snowmelt, that's heated driveways and heated patios, was installed in the town of Breckenridge. Each square foot of snowmelt uses about 83,000 BTUs of energy. And that assumes that the systems are only used during the winter. So the heated outdoor space installed in 2019 alone uses 830 million BTUs of energy every year to operate. To put that in context, it's the same amount of energy used by 8 single-family homes in Summit County in a year. And remember, that's just energy being used to heat the outdoors. As resort communities dependent upon a reliable climate, we care about climate change and want to do our part to reduce local greenhouse gas emissions. Collectively, our jurisdictions set goals to reduce emissions 50% by 2030 and 80% by 2050. Across Summit County, buildings account for 50% of our greenhouse gas emissions. That means we need to reduce energy use both indoors and outdoors to meet our goals. And so we need to start better regulating outdoor energy use, which is what the Renewable Energy Mitigation Program does. The goal of this program is to encourage environmentally friendly site design and planning, and ultimately to minimize outdoor energy use. Programs like this already exist in mountain communities across Colorado, such as Aspen, Crested Butte, Snowmass, Telluride, and Eagle and Pitkin counties. This program does not prohibit outdoor energy use. Homeowners and developers still have a choice. However, it does require that excessive uses of energy outdoors be offset with renewable energy installed on the property. This can be solar panels, solar thermal, geothermal, wind, or hydro. In situations where it's not possible to install the amount of renewable energy required to offset the energy use, a fee in lieu can be paid. This fee is based on the best case scenario cost of installing solar PV in Summit County. Fees collected through the program are used to fund other community energy efficiency and renewable energy projects. And in Colorado communities like ours, where similar programs already exist, the energy and carbon savings realized by projects funded through this program far exceed the initial amount of energy that needed to be offset. So how does it work? How does a homeowner or developer know how much solar or renewable energy needs to be installed or what the fee might be? By using a simple spreadsheet calculator available from your community development department, which I'll show you now. When you have a project that features a covered energy use, such as a heated driveway, open the calculator to learn what the requirements would be. There are tabs along the bottom that you can see here, so you can select between R, residential, or C, commercial projects. Simply input the square footage of whatever is proposed to be installed. For this example, I will use 500 square feet of residential snowmelt. Then the calculator will show you what is required to be installed or what the equivalent fee would be. We are choosing to express the renewable energy offset amount in kilowatts of solar PV because solar is the most commonly used offset method to comply with this program, especially because federal tax credits are still available for solar installations. So you can see that this project would require 9.3 kilowatts of solar, or about a $30,000 payment in lieu. Note that some projects may require more solar than can fit on somebody's rooftop. In situations like that, homeowners and developers might have to resort to using ground-mounted solar as well, or do a hybrid option where you install partial solar and pay a partial fee amount. Homeowners and developers can also decide not to install any renewable energy, opting instead to pay 100% of the fee. All of this is taken care of during the permitting process, so you'll need to determine what you're required to offset and demonstrate how you plan to comply with the program before receiving your building permit. All fees must be paid at time of permit issuance to ensure compliance. And if renewable energy offsets are proposed, the renewable energy must be installed prior to closing out your permit. Please note that the calculator I am showing you is not the final calculator for the town of Breckenridge. For example, heat tape is not going to be included in this program at this time. However, once the Breckenridge calculator is finalized, it will look very similar to this. So thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about this program. We welcome your comments and feedback, which you can submit to the email address on your screen, sustainablebrec@townofbreckenridge.com. And if you're interested in learning more about the federal tax credits for solar installations, check out this link. Thanks again, and we hope to hear from you soon.